infrastructure is scaling faster than planners can track its consequences. Kiev Providence turns scattered public evidence into a source-linked observatory for capacity, electricity, water, policy, and future scenarios, state by state. It asks three simple questions. What do we know? What are we estimating? And what changes under different assumptions? This is the synchronized dashboard. One period and scenario drives every component, from the national map through forecast paths, resource context, policy evidence, and the 50-state table. Here, we are viewing Texas in the fourth quarter of 2030 under the baseline. Hatch states mean no tracked facility records in this release, not zero infrastructure. Every value is identified as reported, estimated, forecast, or scenario output. Now I will switch to Rapid AI. Texas capacity moves from 727 to 836 megawatts. Annual electricity reaches 6.6 terawatt-hours, and modeled direct cooling demand reaches 2.6 million gallons per day. These are not claims about measured consumption. The interface labels them scenario outputs, while EIA electricity, USGS withdrawals, and current drought data remain context and denominators. Clicking a facility opens the underlying record. For OpenAI Stargate Abilene, we can inspect the operator and user, AI classification, project stage, estimated facility power, completion weight, and original evidence links. Geographic matches also disclose their confidence. A city-level county or watershed match is labeled imputed, not silently upgraded into a site-specific claim. The facilities view turns this into an inspectable registry. Campuses stay separate from owners, users, phases, and documents. We can distinguish operational projects from construction, identify values needing analyst review, export the current view, and append local review receipts without altering the public release. The scenario engine packages 9 conditional what-if futures: rapid demand, efficiency gains, water limits, grid bottlenecks, chip disruption, and more. Each bundle exposes its growth rate, timing, resource assumptions, and constraint multipliers. None is assigned a probability, and selecting one never rewrites the source snapshot. Policy is handled with the same discipline. The app identifies 38 state incentive candidates, but none can affect the forecast until the controlling legal text and current status are reviewed and a quantitative effect is approved. Missing credentials or incomplete review appear as blocked, not as empty results. Finally, sources shows what passed, what is stale, what is blocked, and where an upstream update is waiting. Methods exposes the equations, definitions, limitations, and a blocked calibration gate. This is not a national census or a production forecast. It is a reproducible decision tool that makes uncertainty inspectable and gives planners a more honest way to reason about AI infrastructure before the future arrives.